United States continues to relax COVID-19 regulations, but some businesses still have employees working from home. People are putting in long work hours from a makeshift office at home. Some get distracted by screaming children, while others relish in quiet isolation. One common denominator is that many people who work from home don't have the best ergonomic setup or the same setup that work offices provide. This week, we're covering the top 5 tips to improve ergonomics in your home workspace. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, create a dedicated workspace. Claim a workspace in your home and make sure that you can set up your computer on a desk or a table. Working on a couch or a bed for long periods of time can cause severe neck and lower back pain. Put a chair in front of your workstation and create some lower lumbar support with a cushion or pillow. If you have to take calls on the phone, use headphones or put it on speaker so as not to kink your neck to the side. Number 2, pay attention to your arms. Admire how beautiful they are. That's not really what this tip is about, but appreciate your arms every now and again. According to health experts, it's best to keep your arms by your sides with your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. If your chair has armrests, adjust them so that your shoulders feel relaxed when you rest your elbows on them. If your armrests can adjust and they're uncomfortable, flip them up or remove them. Number 3, follow the 20-20-20 rule. For the sake of your eyes, it's best not to stare at your screen for all hours of the day. To help maintain healthy vision, avert your eyes from the screen after 20 minutes of work. The 20-20-20 rule is very simple. After 20 minutes of computer work, look at something for 20 seconds that's 20 feet away. Don't look at another screen that's 20 feet away though. Doing this every 20 minutes helps to relax the eye muscles to reduce overall eye strain. Number 4, get up and stretch. If you're working from home, it means you have the luxury to get up and stretch in your own space. There won't be strange looks from coworkers. For optimal spinal health, it's best to get in the habit of standing up and stretching every 30 minutes or so. You can shake it out or engage in a 5-minute stretch session. The main muscle groups to focus on include the shoulders, wrists, hips, back, neck, chest, and legs. Not only does stretching help you avoid tension, but it also encourages healthy circulation. Number 5, support your lower back. One of the most common symptoms of sitting at a desk all day is lower back pain. Some people find that standing desks are beneficial, but not everyone wants to invest in a standing desk. Not everyone is comfortable standing either. Additionally, people may not have the space for one at home. If you want to support your lower back in your desk chair, make sure that you press your buttock firmly against the back of the chair. Many people sit on the edge of the chair and end up slouching. Workplace ergonomics are designed to build a healthier workspace. Working from home has reduced ergonomics in the workspace, but there's no need for the body to suffer. That's all for this week. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next week for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.